What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're running the HPI Savage XS SS Flux. I'm running it on 2S today. I've got the speed pinion gears in it. So I've got a 32 teeth pinion gear in it. It's a speed one, it's the biggest one I could get to fit in there. I think that's it's the same as the stock speed gear, I'm not sure. Can't remember. I'm doing 2S today and I'm going to run it 3S another day. I just want to see what the difference is, but this truck should be pretty fast with that gear set, because the one I had in there before was only a 22, so we've gone up 10 teeth, so we should get a load more top speed. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to take us out on the front and I'm going to turn it all on. Stay tuned for the run. Well, that'll do, guys. Would be a great appreciation if you'd like. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.